Happy Saturday, business partners. This is Chris Kearney, the tallest lender in the Ross Group, but we have something cooking that we've been dying to share with you, and it is delicious. I'm talking about an incentive program that is a community-based lending option. Fancy word for incentives for buyers. I'm talking discounted rates as little as 3% down. No mortgage insurance, no PMI at all, no income cap. This is a geographic restricted program, so it's going to be very much so based on where the property is. So listing agents, if you have properties that are sitting around, they've been, days on market keep climbing up, literally reply to this email, reply to this video, and we will look up the address for you. And if this property that you have qualifies, we'll let you know you can start marketing this program to potential buyers. Now for your buyers, here's a little secret. They don't have to be first timers. That's right, no first-time home buyer requirement whatsoever for this program. It's got it all. It's very specific to location, but there are plenty of neighborhoods and communities in DC, Maryland, Virginia that qualify. So get with us so that we can get people into your listings and buyers into the home of their dreams. The Ross Group is always working together to serve you better. Have a good day.